Hello, my name is Sue Smith and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts. And today I'd like to show you how to use the Marabu fashion sprays to make home decor projects like this cute little cushion. And I've used the Moroccan tiles die for this die set here. And this is quite lovely because all these individual patterns are single dies. Get them out and show you. I've actually left 3 of them out. I've used 2, 4, 6 of them to create a pattern. And I've cut them out of this Adhesive Vellum sheets, the Xcut extra pack of Vellum sheets. And because of the adhesive property of it, it works really well to create a mask or a stencil. Okay, let's get started. So you cut several of these dies out of the Adhesive Vellum, and I've created a grid which is exactly the same size as the dies, and I've drawn that on using one of the Faber-Castell Pitt artist pens because they're beautiful and black, and that's what you need to show through the fabric because this is like a guide. I've stuck it down with some craft tape, done that already. Let's take these to one side and then we're going to use them to place on our fabric. I've done some I'm going to do some upcycling here. I'm actually going to reuse an old bed sheet. So it's just a white cotton fabric that we've got here, and it's quite nice because it's quite a high thread count, so it's quite good quality, and the inks work nicely with the higher thread count. Okay, so position it over your guide and then peel the backing off of all your little square patterns and use the guide to position them all in a pattern however you want. I've kind of gone in a diagonal pattern, one design, another design, one design, another design, and then gone across. So it kind of looks random, but there is some order to it. So once they've all stuck down and you've protected your work surface with some scrap paper, we can begin the fun by spraying the fabric. Let's start with a paler colour. So I'll go ahead with this lovely blue, give it a shake. And we don't want to go too heavy with the ink and not too light, that the pattern won't show up. So have a spray, do that corner, maybe over there, and then go in again with some pink, a shake. Plenty of pink, light pink. That's it. It doesn't matter if you get bigger concentrating blobs of ink, that just adds to the effect, I think. And then the purple is quite a strong colour. Wow, look at that. Where shall I put the purple? Put a bit over there, lift it up and you get more of a gentle spray. See how that looks? I think I'm going to do a bit more blue because it is quite pale. And a tiny bit more pink over in that corner. There, I think that's about right. There, leave that to dry for a little bit. And then if you grab your craft knife, then we can begin to peel off the backing paper and it will reveal, hopefully, the masked area underneath. So you've got a lovely white pattern. Take that off, stick it down there, it's left a bit behind. Yes, look at that. Let's do this one as well. They stick quite well, so hopefully you won't get a lot of bleeding. There. I just find this so exciting. Let's pick this one off as well. I mean, you can leave it to dry a bit longer than I have, but I can't wait to show you what it looks like. There. Okay, so once this is done and it's completely dry, if you give it an iron on the hottest cotton setting, and then that will just help fix the colour. So you can do that after this, and then make it into the cushion. Now I've measured 4 centimetres around the edge of the pattern and drawn a line round, and then cut it out. And then I've also used 3 other layers of cotton fabric just to give it more of a luxurious feel rather than just using the single layer of fabric. So if you put a plain one down and then this patterned one down and then 2 more plain ones on top, and then sew them all the way round but leave a gap, turn it inside out, and then you can stuff it with whatever you have to hand, a toy filling or other scrap bits of fabric you can use. And then you've created your cushion. And then all you need to do is just to hand sew the hole, the gap where you put the stuffing in, and you end up with a lovely home decor project. And you can use this technique on all sorts of different things. There. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you very much.